are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series. First of all, would like to apologize for starting off with the session a little late today. We were having some technical issues at our end. The topic for today's session is what you need to know about PRPC 7 and how it can change your career graph. And we have with us today Mr. Sakti Prasanna Bhattacharya. He is the Vice President at Virtusa. He also goes by SP. He has more than 22 years of service delivery experience in IT industry. He is currently leading the global delivery organization of business process management practice in Virtusa, managing a team of 1,000 professionals who work on different BPM technologies like Pega, PRPC, IBM BPM, and Oracle BPM, etc. He has significant experience in managing very large BPM initiatives spanning across multiple geographies. He has significant experience in directing and managing various types of BPM engagements, application maintenance, large application development, and re-engineering of distributed systems. He has extensively worked with Fortune 500 clients in banking and financial services industry, insurance and healthcare industry in the US and in Europe. So I'm now going to hand over the session over to SP. Over to you. SP, I have made you the presenter. You may start your presentation. Uh, SP, you are not audible at this present moment. I hope you can hear me. I think our speakers are experiencing some problem with the audio connection. Just request you all to be patient. We are just trying to fix it. Mr. Bhattacharya, you're still not audible.
Can you hear me, Suragna?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. What was I don't know what was the issue.
Not
so
a
sorry
problem.
for that. Okay. So let me start the things. Sorry guys, we had some technical problem. So Silogna has already given you my introduction. So just a quick background of my association with Pegasystems. So I started with PegaWorks since 1999, and then I worked with PegaWorks until 2003, and then when PRPC came into the picture around 2004, so I started working on PRPC. So, I have seen the evolution of this product from a simple rule and workflow engine to a full-fledged BPM suite. And also, while working with this product, I have seen the evolution of the delivery management in this niche area. So today, I, along with my team, would like to give you some insights of what would be the future project model, delivery model on PRPC 7, and how as a BPM practitioner we need to enable ourselves in our learning to work in that kind of challenging environment, and also to stay ahead on our career curve. So guys, with me today, Rajni. Rajni is right now leading the BPM delivery in our Chennai center in Virtusa, and he is also one of the chief architects in BPM portfolio. And also with me, Shivram. Shivram is our knowledge champion, and he leads the global training and skill enablement in Virtusa. So with this, let me move to the agenda slide. So today we have, can you see the agenda slide? Yeah. So today in our agenda, we have items like, what would be the future engagement model in BPM space when the chosen technology is PRPC 7. And then we will walk you through some of the competency requirement to work in that kind of project environment. And after that, Shivram will walk you through some of the inside information on PRPC 7, which are not so obvious, and also which are pretty much from the perspective of a developer. And then lastly, we would like to give you highlights on a very unique initiative right now that Virtusa has undertaken along with Pegasystems on upgrading existing PRPC applications to PRPC 7. So Virtusa has built tools, accelerators, frameworks in doing that kind of upgrade, and Rajni will walk you through with this. So let me move to the slides.